520 credit score to 750 in 90 days using AI. And not gonna lie, I was skeptical at first, but this program literally taught me everything. Credit repair with Dispute Beast, building business credit, AI, advertising, even daily trading lessons with real people on Zoom. It's actually insane how much they cover, and the best part, zero risk, which honestly sold me. If you want in, call 1-877-587-4540 right now, because seating is actually limited, and I'm not just saying that.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Dr. Cam and Miss Emma here we're working with Elite Credit Investment Advisors, and we are making wealth real. And by making wealth real, that means we're talking about the 3 pillars of success, 3 pillars of wealth. 3 pillars of wealth are credit mastery. We work with an AI company that's the best in the world at repairing credit. They do it quick, fast, easy. And that's called Dispute Beast. We're a Dispute Beast affiliate. I personally use it every day. Worked wonderful. We have the middle, that's the first pillar is credit mastery. Second is building your business, building business credit. So if you have no business, that's fine. You can build a no-doc business with us, work with us, and we'll get you a business credit built on your EIN instead of your personal credit score. 50, 100, 150,000 within 6 months to a year. Builds up quick, fast, and easy again. We work with an AI company called Leverage AI for that. It uses AI to show you what you need, when you need it, how you do it, and how to do it. It's not done for you, but it's done with you. And then finally, investment, stock market tips and tricks, educational purposes only. And with that, I will let Ms. Emma take over and say, I'll talk a little bit about what we're going to do today. And I will be right back with you with the disclaimer video, and then we'll jump right back into the market because the market's about to open in 3 minutes. So take it away, Ms. Emma.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday, and welcome to Elite Credit and Investment Advisor. Again, we're here to remind everybody that we have the 3 pillars of wealth program, and one of it is our smart investing, wherein we have actually a program that you can learn into practice trading that sooner or later, if you decide to go into the real money trade, then you have already the knowledge and you already familiarized the stock market. So that's our program, the first for the smart investing, and it's very affordable to get into the practice trading with zero rest. It's only $97 for your first month if you come and join with us, and then we're gonna walk through with you every day on the practice trading, and we're gonna send you a free digital books that you can also learn at home. You can read a lot of resources, and then learnings stuff about the trading. Plus, we also have the credit mastery program. If you have some trouble in your credit score, it's either your personal or business credit. We have also a program, the best program that we offer here in Elite Credit. Um, it's also $97 for your first month, and we have a helping hand from our affiliate company with Dispute Best. It's an AI software that help monitor your credit score. Plus, we're here to assist you as well daily, help you monitor, response your daily monitoring on your credit. And if you want to build your business credit, we also have it's part of the program. I mean that we can assist you on how to set up your EIN, your dance and broads, and how to set up and register business name, or if you need some assistance on how to get your phone, company number, virtual address, so on and so forth. No problem with Elite Credit and Investment Advisor. It's actually part of one program, the Smart Mastery, and also very affordable. For your first month, it's
Hello.
only $7, and for
What's
the
up?
full program, that would be four
I'm
ninety.
on a live broadcast.
It's very affordable. So just let me know anytime. You can actually
All
comment
right.
on our
You
Facebook
need me for
page.
anything?
Hallelujah. You can also message us on our
All right.
YouTube
All
or
right.
comment
No
on the
worries.
section
Bye.
page, I mean button, and then let us know or call me at 877-587-4540. And lastly, the our financial education program. So we also have digital resources that you can use for free. Plus, we're here every day to assist you. So it's also $97. And if you want to get the complete package for the three pillars of wealth for 3 months program, it's very affordable. It's only 1,500 for your 3 to 4 months. So why not take it all? Shop at you know Elite Credit and Investment Advisor and get all the program, the three pillars of wealth, and you can get all the benefits that you need, and your success will be our testimony. So, good morning again, and stay tuned with us as we go into practice trading.
By Elite Consultants USA LLC is for educational and entertainment purposes only. We do not offer financial, legal, or any credit building or stock market strategies discussed are examples for learning only and should not be seen as guarantees of results or earnings. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed professional before making financial decisions.
All right, we're back. So we are going to pop over here and look at the market. The market opened just a minute ago. It opens at 9:30. And I had a little tiny trade in, so we made $8.98 because it went ahead and canceled out. We started with 1 unit, and 1 unit is the smallest amount in this particular group that we're trading. We're trading micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 index futures, and you can see where it started right here. We had a order entry. We started here, and it was trading down. It did really, really well. Went to just about nearly $50 to take for the trade here. Then the market opened, and this is going to show you that exactly. You see this time stamp right here, 13:30. So this is when the market opened immediately. Boom, it went straight up. Okay, and it could have gone one of two ways, naturally, up or down. Go ahead and dense that just a little there so you can see it. And it went straight up. So then when it got to, from opening, 1, 2, 3, 3.25 blocks high, it took a reversal and reconsolidated. It came down to about a half of what it jumped up to. See, now it's going back up, and it'll go back up to about half here, and back and forth, and that's called consolidation. So understand a little bit about the market. We are able to trade up or down. You are able to trade in infinite number of units according to how much money you have in your account. We're trading a $1,000 account today, and $1,000 is just about the bare minimum that I recommend trading, only because when you're trading the amount of units that you can trade, we can trade 1 up to 10 units with $1,000. And at 1 unit, you're going to get a really good idea of whether or not it's profitable to trade in that market today at all. Okay, so first I'll refresh so we can see our candles a little bit better. And once again, I mentioned that it started here, it zoomed up, which would have been a really good time. I like to trade the morning pop. This is called the morning pop. Okay, so if I was in here in a long position when this pop happened at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, even with only 1 unit, that would have been about a $350 to $400 win right there. I could have called it a day for the whole day. So mentioning that, and of course you saw our little disclaimer, everything that we do and everything we say is simply to assist those that are maybe start off day trader. Somebody maybe even this experience might be able to pick up a little something every now and then, because we're constantly studying, we're constantly learning, we're constantly looking at ways to make wealth real. This is not an imaginary pie in the sky kind of program. We literally do what we say. We eat what we kill, so to speak. We trade every day. Emma and I trade every day. She can tell you personally from testimony that she sweats the fact that I get on and trade and lose my investment sometimes, and then sometimes we get on and we do really well. So we're constantly asking each other for more information. She trains, I train, we all train. We watch videos, we read books, magazines. We're plugged into the Ninja Trader network. So there's a little bit of stuff to learn from what we do. So you're allowed to do with it what you will. You can just watch it for entertainment if you like, because I make a fair amount of ups and downs on a daily basis. So what we're going to do at this point, we are on a paper trader simulator from TradingView. We are TradingView affiliates. We can hook you up with TradingView for 30 days completely free. And we will take you step by step through what we do daily and how we look for the setups and how we analyze, evaluate before we take the market action, and then what we're doing to go about making $1, $3, $5, $7, $9, $12, $15 more per trade. And as Emma will tell you from daily experience, these little bits add up. They add up. We traded one day. We traded the 1 and 2 units up to $500. And again, we've got a little chart here. Let me go ahead and pop the chart up. You're going to need to decide at some point what type of trader you want to be, and that is completely open to you. If you want to do what we call hobby, we're going to show you a hobby today. Right now, today the hobby level is $20 a day. We're going to show you how to make $20. So $20 a day times 5 days is $100 a week. That's $400 a month, sometimes 5 if you got the months with 5 weeks. That's nothing to shake a stick at. I mean, that's not no money. That's a little bit, and at least it'll pay for your coffee if nothing else. All right, stepping up from the $20 is the $100 a day. Now, the $100 a day is just about the minimum you want to shoot for if you're going to have any kind of accountability. We call that a side hustle. All right, that's $25K a year. That's not insignificant. That's a good amount. And we shoot for the $500 a day every day. We're in the process of shooting between 500 and 1,000, and we would like to become regular at trading between 25 and 5,000, because the magic number to make $1 million in a year with 252 trading days in that year is quite naturally $3,969 per year. So having said that, let's get on here and trade a little bit. Now, we're gonna watch. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna watch. We're gonna watch your indicators like I mentioned. It started here. It jumped all the way up 5, 6, 7 blocks to here. It reconsolidated and immediately came back down. That's called a whipsaw, and to about half of what it was. Then it went back up to about half that much. Okay, just like a ball bouncing with inertia on the ground. Then it came back down to a full, I'm going to say it's a little more than a quarter. And at this point right now, immediately today, this is hooked to actual live market data. It is trading strongly in the up cycle. For now, it's trading strongly in the up cycle. And it may take any minute, it may take turn around and pop back down. So you're strongly trading up right now. It goes to show it's going to start strongly back up just like it just did, because it's bouncing like a ball, and it reaches a certain point and then it bounces back up. So very volatile right now. It'd be very dynamic. It's difficult to trade in a time like this. So what you do is the best possible scenario for this particular market right this moment, unless you're a master, is to not trade at all. And watch it till it slows down, till it gets predictable, till it's slowly in a genuine curve up. This would be called a genuine, so we're watching this one stair step its way up. All right, and then it's trade, it comes across a little bit, consolidates, and genuinely walks its way up. Another way to trade is if it's genuinely walking its way down. You can follow this. It's something that you can follow trade by trade. This one is so volatile that it's jumping up here, then it's jumping back down. See that jump back down? Then it jumps back up. So it's very difficult to follow. If you do enter a trade and it's volatile like this, of course, naturally you want to set your take profit and your stop loss over here to be ready. But if you do enter a trade, you need to be ready to let it ride out. So it may go either direction. If you start with one unit, it could go either direction, $25, $50, $75, $100 before it comes back to make you a profit. And so if you're not in it, then I call that riding the buck and bronc like the rodeo. Not recommended, but it can be extremely lucrative because it's just like it's whipsawed up. It could also whipsaw down. So Emma, what do you think? Should we go in with a trade on the downside or on the up? It could go either way at this point. Let's set our take
Yeah,
profit
up
and our stop.
for now.
You want to trade it for up? So we're going to put in 25. We can put in 25 ticks here. Hold on. 1 unit. Start off with the beautiful power of 1. And we see that our trading mechanisms are working and we're making plenty of profit. When I say plenty of profit, I like to say a minimum of 5 to 10 trades in a row without losing any. All right, we're on the buy side. We're gonna enter a buy order. Let's try that one more time. Where'd we go? All right, we're gonna set our stop loss and take profit for the buy. Put 25. I'm gonna go ahead and put 50 in on the stop loss. And let's see if it'll buy this time at home. There we go. So it's gonna net us $17.50, and it literally did. There's our $25 profit right there. Good call, Emma, on the upside. All right, we're still gonna leave it at 1 unit. We're gonna put take profit stop loss. Once again at 25.50, we're gonna go ahead and buy in one more time. We did that. $28 now. We just made $28 in just a few seconds. We're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to buy in on the upside one more time. This time we're going to raise our stop loss up here to $30. All right. That's our take profit. It's going to take it a minute to make a little more profit. Let's take this down to, did it hit us? What did it do? Yeah. It hit our, well, it hit us in the middle of moving it because we were trying to move it to a safer zone. So what we'll do, we'll go ahead and get back in the game. Let's see here. Go ahead and trade. All right. All right. Discard. There we go. We're going to trade 1 unit again. This time I'm going to put a stop loss in. I'm going to do 75.25. All right. So I'm going to put 75 on the stop loss, 25 on the take profit. I'm going to go ahead and get in a buy game. Then I'm going to raise that up here to about, what did it do? Oh, we made $10. It caught up with me before I can get my trade set. All right, so what that tells me is that I need to set up here. Tells me I need to set a little more length in front of my trade. And when that happens, that is not a biggie. What that happens is we set our take profit, our stop loss, and we do 50-50. The old standby, 50-50. Okay, and you can see that it's starting to consolidate and come down a little. Emma, how do you call it? Are we going down or are we going up?
Hold on, it's not yet moving, sir.
You're like me. You're thinking up, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yep.
Buy.
Wait, huh?
Buy.
All right, we're in. And again, this is set to go $24 to the good. You see the numbers right here in the blue bracket, 1150, 1250.
Okay, take it.
Take the 1250 or wait one more? 23.
Yeah, take it. Okay.
All right, we
got 20.
I think it's settled out. It should have. There we go. Let's see how much we made. So we've got $34.86 to the good now. We're shooting today. We have passed our $20 rating, and we are on our way to, it's 45 altogether. $45. So we have We have decided to go. You want to go ahead and go to the $100 level? So we're halfway there. We're buying in. Should buy in now. 50-50, 1 unit. There we go. $20 to the good up here. It's retracing a little bit here, but not too bad. Okay, we're going to raise that up a little bit. Confirm that. Now we're going to watch it. We can take this trade at any time. We're 50 cents to the good there. $9, $5.50, $4, $5.50. Up. It's going to stop out. Stopped out on us. Took back some of our profit. $13 to the good. We need to work our way back up. So we're going to go to the buy side. Take profit stop loss. Set it, where are we at? 50-50? No, let's set it 50-50. We have to watch ourselves real carefully because we don't want to lose that money. We already earned it. So let's watch real close.
Down. Yeah.
We want to buy down. Let's buy down. See if it'll ride with us. Give us a quick return on investment there. $7 to the good. $7.50. 19. 13. Boom. Let's see where we're at. We're back at 37.80 on our way back up to 50. Buying in one more time. 8.50 to the good. 4.50. Kind of vacillating a little bit there. $1. Broke even. Give it just a second. See if it'll power through. There we go. 10.50. 13.50. 11.50. 14. All right. So made a little profit today. Let's see where we're at.
63.
$63. And remember, we started with the $20 and we made $20. That would have been we could have stopped right there. $20. Call it a day. And then did another one tomorrow, and we'd have $100 this week. So we're at 63. We want $100 out of today. So we'll have 500 by the end of the week. So do we want to buy it on the upside?
Yeah. We have to observe. No. Okay, buy.
All right. We're on the buy side. We're watching that red 7, 6.50, $1, 50 cents, 11.
Thank goodness.
Stopped out. Next time we'll take that stop off and let it trade. So we're down to $37. We still haven't lost the farm. Let's go ahead and get in the buy world here and get set.
No, not yet. It's red.
And we're going to wait. What are we waiting for, Miss Emma? Tell us what we're waiting for.
Yeah, the movement, sir. If it's it's on downside.
It's on the downside right now.
Yeah.
We're going to wait for it to hit a bottom and start a retracement up.
Oh, yeah, it's on downside.
And then when it does start a retracement up, we're going to try to ride that wave of power, make a little profit, and jump out before it starts coming back the other way. So it's consolidating the retracement. See that retracement? It's backing up a little bit. See it pull back? There. Pulled back, but then it jetted forward. It's a good thing we didn't jump in. And now this time when it switches green, it may go ahead and start a pull all the way to the top. You never know. So let's keep our eye on that. Right, coming down. Looking for $100. We're trying to get to $100 today. We'll call that a day. Well, shoot, if it keeps trading down, I'm gonna make me want to switch over there.
No,
Go
we're
ahead and
late.
call. We're late. I already hit the button. Let's see what it'll do. Let's see what it'll do. It should go ahead and consolidate there in a second. It's taking a long time my internet must be fluctuating. It's taking a long time to realize. There we go. see what we got. You're right, we were too late.
Yeah.
And it failed to launch. Okay, let's try again. Let's get set to buy. Set. Let's get 50-50 again. Get good with that.
Yeah, we have to sell. Hold on. Oh,
Okay.
hold on, sir. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
All right. We're trying to get in on the buy side. There we go. $25 is all we want. We're not greedy. No,
What
trade
is
it out. That stop loss hit. It's too fast. See, we're going to leave the stop loss off this time. We're going to buy in, leave the stop loss off, and we go up because it's jumping back down too fast. So let's tell you what we do with the 50-75. That ought to do it. Don't want to do no stop loss. All right, it's getting ready to go up. We're going to buy in. All right, let's get it. Let's let it get get us back into profit again. 13. We'll take 10, 15, $20. We don't care as long as it's profit. All right. Red 5, 50 cents, going to green. We're on the green, $9. 11, 17.50. There we go. We made it. All right. So we're back in the green. Let's go back up. Buy back in. Let me know when you're ready, Emma. Emma's got good instincts. I like to follow her impulses.
Down. This is going down.
You want to trade in the down?
Yeah.
All right, we bought in. Got $20 on the chart. 3.15 for green. $3 green. 2. It's flat, but it's going up. 3.50. 5. 9. 6.50. Anything over 5, sometimes I'll grab it. So I may hit that 9 next time.
Yeah.
2. 7.50. 4. 3.50. 2.
My God. We have to take it when it turns to green.
When it comes back to $5 and over, we're gonna start taking it $5 and over.
Yeah.
At least that'll pay for the trade and make us a little bit. Give this a second to see if it's gonna come
Oh my
down.
God.
It's trading down. It's trading down. It'll get there. It's gonna jump here in a minute, one way or the other. 12, 11, 10. That's the fun of it all, watching that number move. 13.10. It's a strong down indicator. I mean, it's still trading strongly down. 7. It almost hit it when it crossed that 7. 9, 12. So it's trying hard to drop through that to that profit market on the bottom.
My goodness.
It's got a little pressure against it, but it's not completely done yet. It's still fighting. It's struggling. Resistance is strong. There you go, 9.50. Gonna watch it just a second, See how it does. Because it's definitely got a lot of pressure on top of it to shoot down there and make a profit. Still $2.69 at the good. We definitely want to end the day on a high note, so give it just a second, see how she does. Very volatile market up and down. It's tough. These waters are choppy, guys, for real. Where are we at? Oh, look at that. It's back in the profit. See that? Told you to come back.
Yeah.
All right, 1050. We're going to go ahead and take that 1050.
Yeah. Oh, still.
There we go. Little profit added back to the bottom line. We got $11.18. See, it went all the way up there. What was it at the very top? Emma,
Yeah.
$30, $40?
Yeah, but that was very hard.
It was hard, but but look at our fundamentals. That's what you got to remember. You got to look at the overall. Let me spread that out where you can see it. We knew that it was traded in a hard down market. The green candles are there, all right, but they're making all this resistance.
Yeah.
All right,
Mostly.
so it's mostly
down.
a down market. It will recover to the green, but it's not wanting to be a green market right now. It's wanting to be a bear market. So we're going to set our take profit and our stop loss at the downside. We're going to put in 50-50. We're trying to get to $100. We want you guys to see us get to $100 live on the show. We've only been on 32 minutes. We'll give it another 15 minutes or so. And we're set. We're at 1 unit. Still not trying to risk the farm. 1 unit. And you ready to trade down? All right, let's see if this will pick us up a little something. 350 to the good, 850 to the good. Come on back together. We'll take anything $5 and above. So next time it hits, we'll let's go ahead and get that out of there. Okay. All right, so I didn't get that stop loss out of there in time for it, and it's radical. It goes quick. All right, so we'll get our thinking caps back on here. It's anybody's game. It's anybody's game. 50-50 on the ticks again. Let me know if you want to do the up. You want to buy up? Wait and see. The guarantee's on the down, I promise you.
Oh, sorry, I'm muted.
Okay. All right, we buying or we selling? Where we up? Up or down?
It's on up. Yeah.
It's on up. You want to buy or you want to wait a minute?
Wait a minute.
All right.
It's moving, then we have to hit the buy button very fast. Hold on. Still trying to. Okay. Wow. No. Yes, we're late, sir.
All right. It looks like it's trading this amount right here, so we can use this as an indicator.
Yeah.
Which is just about half a block, almost a block, full block. So between 50 and a 25 ticks is what that is. All right. Waiting for your instructions to pull the trigger.
Okay. So we have to.
We buying up?
Yeah. Oh my God.
All right. Let's see where we're at.
Oh my goodness.
I'll give it a second. It'll be fine. We'll let it
Oh my
retrace
God.
just a second.
Yeah.
It's
Sometimes
gonna.
we're late.
It's retracing.
And that's why it's very important to be very fast and focus on the candlestick. That's what I observe. But it's going up
Yeah, we got $5 to the green, $3,
more.
7,
Oh
4,
my goodness.
550.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's retracing. Give it a second.
Yeah, but it's going down.
550. We're back to 50 cents, so it's going to go into the green here in a minute. There's $7. We'll take that.
Yeah, that's what I observe if the market is trying hard to move up and down, whatever, even if you just a small amount, if you have the chance, take it.
That's right. All right, let's get back over here and see. I'm going to do something renegade, straight renegade. I'm gonna click the down. I'm going to click the take profit on the down sell. I'm going to grab it. I'm just going to let it trade. I'm going to let it trade, let it wander. We're just going to see what it does because I'm confident, even if it goes all the way up 4 or 5 blocks, I'm fairly confident. It's hard to say because you can see those numbers ticking by, right?
Yeah.
But I know that it's going to come back down to right in here. So I'm going to let it sit there and let it stop out. I'm going to let it stop itself out at 25.50. Just as gut instinct that it's coming back down there because it's got to. It doesn't have a lot of option. It's really resistant going up. When it does go up, it comes right back down. So I'm just going to sit here and watch. And last night we were listening to a video, one of the original pattern day traders from way back, and he said the skill is the weight. You've got to be confident in knowing your setup, looking for your setup. Just don't be in it just to throw money left and right. Don't be in it just to jump in and trade. But this is a classic setup. We know that it's coming down. We have to enter our trade, sit back, and there it is. That's what I want you to know. Is that what you'll be learning when you're training with us? It's not just the nuts and bolts. You can get that anywhere. Get that off of YouTube. We're going to get right back in here in just a minute. We get an indicator. And we're going to do that same exact thing again. We're going to go ahead and get in there. We're going to set it up. We're going to let it trade. And again, even if it fluctuates, we're trying for $100 today. So let's see what we got. We got 14 plus. We've been buying a little more, selling a little more than the buying, but that's okay. We're going to let it trade another time or two. Then we'll be getting, it's 38 minutes in. We like to be out within about 45 minutes. But the idea is the wait until, because you don't have to spend the money. The money's in your trading account. It's sitting right there. You've got an account balance of right now it's $114.11. It's $14 more than we started this morning. We have been up with $35, $40. We've been down, and that's pretty typical. You want to shoot that $20 day. You can, and if we just stopped at $20, we'd be at $1,020. We'd be sitting and we'd be waiting for tomorrow, which is fine. We went for the $50. We made $50. When we went to the 100, we didn't quite get to the 100 yet, so that's what we're doing right now. Okay, so we're trying to get our $25 bite of the apple. You do, of course, naturally you get $25 4 times, and you got your $100. But with the market volatile like this, I mean that's shark infested waters right there for real. That's okay though. We're gonna let it trade just a minute, and then I'm pretty confident it's gonna pop right down. It's gonna pop right down to the break even of when we got in. We got in right here. Clearly, you can see this line. This red line is where we got in. You can see that it's been traded several times. This was the standard low here for the green before it went up. This was the standard low before this green here climbed up to here. It was a standard low here before this green took off. It was a standard low here. Then the green's taken off here. So since it's a standard low, guess what it's going to do? It's coming back to this standard low right in here. And when it does cross this line, these numbers will turn from red to green. These numbers turn from red to green, there's a profit. And it'll be another one of these historical tails, so to speak, of pretty much the bottom of these candles for today's trade. Naturally, once again, this is where the market started today. We were trading this steady down. We had a pretty good trade going. We had about a $300 upswing here, and then market popped up, went all the way to here, and since the market went up here, the only new high has been here. It's one full block above here, a block's length. You can see them there. All right, which is a pretty good trading day, but still, this is the highest high. This trend and this trade right through the middle right here, consistently one block above the starting point. So we're at one block above the starting point now. I say it's coming down to here. When it does, it turns these numbers to green. Turns these numbers to green, we make a profit. So we're going to sit back and put our finger on the buy button and wait, and mostly wait for it to stop out, make our 25.50 just like we predicted. And once again, that will go to our bottom line and make us a profit. Once it does that, we can get set to either keep that 25, which will be, you know, it'll be up around $40. Call that a day. Make $10 more to make it an even $50 if we want for the day. Or as in most cases, we can trade one or two more times and go ahead and get our $100 for the day. So that's what a typical day looks like when we're doing our personal trading. Naturally, you'd want to be up around the $500 a day mark, $2,500 a week. That's 10 grand a month. That's nothing to shake a stick at. It's pretty decent money. The only difference in the trading process at all is that your units go up. You click a few more units, you buy and sell a little more risk versus reward. You can see the candles are dipping down now into that line that I talked about earlier. Flirting, I call it flirting with the timeline right here. But give it just another few minutes, 42 minutes after. Give it just another couple of minutes, it should shoot through there and give us a little green profit, and then we'll call that a day. Good listening today. I like to start with one unit. I like to show the small, starting with $1,000. Not a totally small account. You could start with 500. Difficult to move 500 to 1,000. It's much easier to move 1,000 to 3,000 and 3,000 to 5, and so on and so forth. Simply because you can take the amount of units that you've got up when you're doing your units here. You can move them from 1 to 2, make a little more profit quicker, and then of course 2 to 5. And at the 5 unit, you can make $50 to $100 on one trade many times. So, all right, give it just a couple more minutes on that so it can drop back down. It's about a half a block if you're measuring here, which is about 5 ticks. And it's flirting right here with the profit. It always does. It always does a little song and dance right there, right at the profit line. Almost as if it's teasing us, almost as if it knows that we're going to be fully intensely focused on whether it crosses that line or not. It's where it started. And once again, the consistency being what it is, we're literally looking at inconsistency as consistency. So it's a double-edged sword. 17 coming down 1250 and consolidating back and forth, back and forth. It needs to be under 10, so it needs to be start reading 10, 9, something like that, 8 into the red lines, and then it'll go ahead and cross over. But let's go over this again. Why did we place our entry level here in such a volatile market? Well, this is why. Here it was a positive entry. Here it was a super positive entry. Here it was a positive entry. Here it was a positive entry. And this has all been, so this is 9:30. All right. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, So if you're looking at a strict timeline, you're looking at about 5 minutes of interval every time that it comes back down. So it's 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Though that interval would be, let's look at the blocks. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 is here, and there it is. It's in the green. It's right on time. Okay, 1550, 1750, 1050, 1750 again, 1850. Needing to push on across the line to give us our full profit, but we'll take it. Boom. We took it in the profit range. Okay. So look at that chart one more time. It would have went ahead and there's the rest of it coming down right there. Could be just a little early, but that's okay. So we're settling for the $20 part for the day. And once again, it's all here. It's all mathematical. We tend to follow the Fibonacci sequence. We also tend to follow retracement lines. We use a lot of pattern trading, but you can see that it's about a 5-minute interval. So naturally, that means it's going to start again going up. So if we really wanted to shock the system, we'd come over here, we put in 5 units. Just show you something, for example. We put in 5 units, stop loss, take profit, 50-50. We're going to go ahead and we're going to wait just a second to give us a little buy indicator there. And we're going to try to make that, little $20 grow real quick with the buy-in on the green side, because we know that it's about to shoot up in the green because it's been 5 minutes. So 5 minutes to green, 5 minutes to green, 5 minutes to green, 5 minutes to green here. It's trading in the same zone. So it only makes sense for it to turn green and shoot up. And of course, typically we follow the up and down on the leverage. Let's go ahead and get in the green. We got in the trade there. We are going to, and it'll manifest in a second. You'll see it pop in there. It's going real slow, but it's definitely been executed. We're going to let that trade right there, and we're going to sell. Now, what I literally just showed you, when you get a little more experience, okay, and you learn what you're doing, what I literally just showed you is, if you want to go ahead and get your profit, go ahead and close that position out too. Okay. We stayed today focused, and we said we'd go to $100, and we're at $167 profit. Okay. What I literally showed you is we practiced and we traded and we traded and we traded. We traded for about 45 minutes. Okay. And we traded $1, 1 unit. We did have a positive $20 going on down here. Then I literally just changed the unit size to 5. Entered my take profit stop loss the same exact as I did before, and instantly made over $120, $30, $117 immediately. All right, so there you go. Now, what's going to blow your mind is, and this is how you can truly make wealth real, make $1 million. If we needed this to go up to $1,670, all we would have done is we would have changed the units over here from 5 to 50. And this would have gone from 167 to 1,167 instantly. Okay, so the trading is learnable. Techniques are here. I'll let Emma close us out with some inspiring words. I know she does a great job at everything she does. She keeps me centered and focused, and she knows what she's doing. She's been with me over a decade plus. Take it away, Emma. Tell them what's up.
Okay, well, thank you so much, sir. It was a great experience into practice trading this morning. And as you can see in our practice trade, that it is very important to be more focused on the candlestick, the movement, and not in a rush to hit any button, sell or buy button. And then you really need to be fast in, hitting the ticks, the profit loss, or how many units you can get while there is a momentum in the movement of the candlestick. So if you want to get into practice trading just for experience, or later on if you decide and have the confidence to get into real trading, real money, then it would be a great experience that you can join with us and subscribe or get into our program, which is into the smart investing. So contact me anytime. You can have the phone number on screen, 877-587-4540, and Elite Credit and Investment Advisor will be happy to assist you. God bless everyone and see you tomorrow.
Feeling stuck in your financial journey? Let's unlock the path to wealth with Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Welcome to the 3 Pillars of Wealth. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe in empowering you with credit mastery, smart investing, and top-notch financial education. Tune in to Rincon Rocks Radio daily at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. for powerful tips and proven techniques that will transform your financial future. From boosting your credit score with our Dispute Beast tool, to mastering the stock market with TradingView, and even building an AI-powered business. Catch us live or watch replays on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com or call 1-939-739-4045 for your free strategy session. Live wealthy now. #3 Pillars of Wealth. #Elite Advisors. #Rincon Rocks Radio.